In this video, I'll show you how to set up shipping and tax for your Wix store. This is an important step to make sure your customers see the right shipping options and tax charges at checkout. Start from your Wix dashboard and open Settings. To save time, use the search bar and type Shipping. Then select Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. Here, you'll see the default settings, but to properly configure your store, click Create Region in the top right corner. Choose the country or area you want to set up. Select shipping as your method, then decide how the shipping rate should be calculated, by flat rate, order price, or weight. Give this option a clear name that your customers will see at checkout, add an estimated delivery time, and enter the cost. When you're done, click Add to Save. Now let's set up taxes. Go back to Settings and search for Tax. Select Tax Settings and click Add Location. Enter the country where you'll be charging tax. If necessary, add states or regions within that country. Finally, enter the correct tax rates for each location. This ensures you stay compliant with local laws. Once everything is set, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've created shipping regions, added rates, and set up tax rules in Wix. With this done, your customers will see accurate shipping and tax information during checkout, making your store more professional and reliable. Lay.